arrested people who were at my gate trying to come in to see me. The reason why they had collected there, the main reason was that I was having a meeting of our finance committee. We had scheduled the meeting beginning at 8, and somewhere along the way, between 8 and 9, the police arrived and arrested people at my gate. They have so far taken 20, and among these 20 people who have been arrested are the following: Asaf Watanise, Ozima Ramadan, Mugabe King Lawrence, Medi Matovu, Dumba David, who is our cleaner here, Benja Ezekiel, Salim Benono, Haji Jamur Mutibi, who is a coordinator from Kalungu, Asadu Semakula from Rubaga, and other district coordinators and other ordinary supporters who had come to do one type or the other.